Hello friends, have you ever wondered how we breathe? Today, let's learn about our respiratory system. When we inhale, air comes in through our nose and mouth. Our respiratory system is responsible for bringing air into the body, from which we can get oxygen. Respiratory system also works to move air back out of the body. This is called exhalation. The air we breathe out, the exhaled air, contains a lot more of our body's waste product, the gas we know as carbon dioxide. This brings us to the most important question: how exactly do we get the oxygen from the air into all of our body cells, and simultaneously get that waste gas, carbon dioxide, out? To understand how this all works, let's follow the journey of a single breath of air, starting the moment you take it in. It all begins here, as the air enters your body, usually through your nose or nasal cavity. As the air begins its journey, air enters the body through the nose and the mouth. Inside the nasal cavity, tiny hairs and sticky mucus immediately get to work. The air is swiftly filtered, trapping dust, pollen, and any unwanted invaders before they can reach the delicate lungs. At the same time, your body is making sure the air is perfect for the rest of the journey. It's quickly warmed to body temperature and humidified to prevent damage to the lower airways. This preparation is essential, so, with every breath you take, the air is cleaned, warmed, and moistened, ensuring only the best, conditioned air continues down the throat. Air then passes through the trachea and the two primary bronchi. These structures are held open by rings of cartilage. Each bronchus then branches many times into bronchioles, terminating at tiny air-filled sacs called alveoli. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged at the alveoli. The process involved in the exchange of these gases is called diffusion. Now we will discuss about how does diffusion occur. Carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. Oxygen then moves from inside the alveoli across the walls and into the blood. This oxygen is used for respiration by the body's cells. How are the alveoli adapted for gas exchange? Their surfaces are moist, allowing the gases to dissolve. They are covered in a network of tiny capillaries, ensuring enough blood supply. Their walls are only 1 cell thick, providing a short diffusion distance. Their lobe shape gives them a huge surface area.